will race this afternoon. The third of the Brits, or second in the final. Ryan Westley now on the course, looking to book his ticket straight into the final, and the time for him to beat to go straight in would be a 101.99. Let's call it a 102 amongst friends. He needs to go under 102 to get himself straight into the final, because that is the time of Vaclav Chalupka at the moment, sitting in third position. It's a long wait for these athletes sitting at the top of the course, waiting for their chance to get out there. They can hear the commentary, they can hear the crowd. They would have heard the excitement for all the Czech paddlers. What do you reckon that does to the mindset, Casey, when you're sitting up there on the water waiting to go, and you hear the crowd going off? You know they're getting excited, which obviously means the paddlers have done well. What does that do for their mindset?
You know, every athlete's different with this. Some athletes hear it, some athletes don't, some athletes like it, some athletes don't. You know, it's interesting. It's one of the areas where you really see the many different personalities. For me, I don't really hear a whole lot of it, but I have teammates that hear it, that like it. You know, I think the biggest no-no is that most athletes don't want you calling their name. You know, because then it's a distraction.
Really?
Otherwise, the noise is just background noise.
Do you like to know the time you need to beat when you go out there, or you just want to do your own race and not be distracted by?
Ooh, opting for the very straight line there, forcing the spin. Can we get over there?
Yeah,
just ducking it in there.
Here we go.
It's going to be a push for him, though. He's really got to move it.
Yep. 105. He's got to go. 102 is the time he needs to go straight in. No, that's going to be tough, I think.
Yeah, I think we're not going to see a finals for Ryan this time.